The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
नमस्ते बच्चों, आप सब कैसे हैं? आशा है आप सब अपने घर में सुरक्षित और ठीक है. Hope that you all are fine and safe at home. So, welcome to our Hindi virtual class. Today I am not that much happy. I am missing you all. The class is empty. Nobody is here. And I am teaching alone. I am teaching in virtual class. So I am not getting the energy. I want to see your faces so that I will get more energy from that. But the class should move on and the virtual class will be moving on like this. When we will pray together, that prayers will definitely reach to God and definitely this lockdown will get over soon and we will meet each other. Let this happen. So in the last class we have studied cha varg and ta varg, and today I will teach you ta varg and pa varg in Vyanjan Akshar. Before that I want to do revision of Swarakshar. I have taught you one word from each letters of Swarakshar, but there are many words in each letter in Swarakshar. Today that we will do. I will show you one example. Rest all you have to do it as a homework and you have to make it as a presentation and you can send me through WhatsApp. Before that I will explain you how to do that activity at home. Way you have to do the chart representation. Just see. So there are many words from all the letters of Swarakshar. So you just search and make it as a presentation in the chart paper and you can prepare a presentation by explaining. How did I explain you? A se anar, A se amrut, A se ananas, A se adrak. So this way in all letters of Swarakshar you can make a presentation, you can prepare and you can just tell which are the words. Okay, you will do it and send this through WhatsApp to me. Now I will start with ta varg and pa varg in Vyanjan Akshar, and one word we will learn from each letter. So ta varg, the letters are ta, ta, tha, tha, da, da, dha, dha, na, na. So one word we will learn from each letter of ta varg. Ta se tarboos. Tarboos means watermelon. Ta se tarboos. Tha se thermos. Thermos, in English also it is thermos. Then da se darwaza. Darwaza means door, door of your house. So da se darwaza. And dha se धनुष, bow. ध से धनुष, not arrow, bow. Bow and arrow you have seen, no? So bow. ध से धनुष and न से नल, tap. न से null, tap. Now we will go to P work. So first letter in P is P. P, F, F, B, B, Bh, Bh, Ma, Ma. One word we will learn from these letters of P work. P से पतंग. पतंग means kite. P से पतंग. फ से फल, fruits. फ से फल. ब से बदक. ब से बदक. बदक means duck. Then भ से भालू. भालू means bear. भ से भालू. Then म से मछली. मछली means fish. म से मछली. So त work and P work is over. Now we will learn how to write in your Hindi notebook, 2-line notebook. First we will learn t work to write. Write the heading t work and then you can start writing the letters in 2 lines. T, th, the, ध, न. So t, th, the, dha, na. T, th, the, dha, na. Next we will write P work. So heading you can write P work on the next page of Hindi 2-line notebook. So one page you have to write this letter. So P, F, B, Bh, M. How will you write? P, F, B, Bh, M. So this way you have to write t work and P work in your Hindi 2-line notebook. In the last class I said that I will sing a rhyme in the next virtual class. So today I will sing a rhyme but not Machli Jal Ki Rani hai. This rhyme is another one which I am going to sing today. So first you all just listen and then you all can follow me. So now I am going to start. लकड़ी की काठी, काठी पे घोड़ा, घोड़े के दुम पे जो मारा हथौड़ा. Come on, sing with me. लकड़ी की काठी, काठी पे घोड़ा, लकड़ी की काठी, काठी पे घोड़ा, घोड़े के दुम पे जो मारा हथौड़ा, लकड़ी की काठी, काठी पे घोड़ा, घोड़े के दुम पे जो मारा हथौड़ा। Come on, sing together with me. लकड़ी की काठी, काठी पे घोड़ा, काठी का तकबक तकबक. So that's for today. You practice this rhyme at home and enjoy it. So we will meet in the next virtual class. Till then, bye.